Built a virtual Lego model in Lego Digital Designer and have an LF file to share or modify? These are model files from Lego's official digital design software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and use these Lego Digital Designer model files. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens LF files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. An LF file is a 3D model created with Lego Digital Designer, LDD, a freeware computer program that allows users to build models using virtual Lego bricks. Users create and save their digital creations in this format to share, view, and generate building instructions for their custom designs. The LF file is essentially an XML-based format, LFXML, that contains a structured list of Lego bricks, parts, their positions, rotations, and colors. This text-based design makes the file relatively easy to parse and allows for interoperability with other 3D modeling tools and community-developed software. The Lego Group defined Lego Digital Designer as the application primarily intended for LF. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows provides only an incomplete snapshot, so full exploration must be done in a CAD environment. We are checking the software landscape. Right-click your LF file and select Open With. If Lego Digital Designer is installed, test that now. If not, choose another program. We need to check every possibility. If the LF file is still giving you trouble, relax. Because your LF file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening in Lego Digital Designer. Install Lego Digital Designer. If you have an existing copy, note that Lego discontinued the application, but it may still be available from third-party archives. Launch the program and use File then Open to load the LF file displaying the virtual model in the 3D building environment with full editing capabilities. Next, using stud.io as alternative. Bricklink stud.io is a modern free alternative to Lego Digital Designer, available at bricklink.com v3 Studio. While it cannot directly open LF files, stud.io supports the LDR format common in Lego CAD. Use LDD to LDR conversion tools to transform LF files into LDR format for use in stud.io and other Lego design programs. Finally, converting to LDRAW format. Convert LF files to LDRAW LDR format using utility tools like LDD2LDR or LDD Manager. The LDRAW format is an open standard for Lego CAD supported by multiple programs including LeoCAD, Bricksmith, and stud.io. This conversion preserves your designs in a future-proof format supported by the active Lego CAD community. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.